Welcome to today's comprehensive review of Zelle, the popular money transfer service. In this guide, we'll delve into the various advantages and disadvantages of using Zelle. Additionally, we'll provide detailed instructions on how to set up and use Zelle effectively. Make sure to stay tuned until the end. The major pro is no fees. One of the biggest benefits of using Zelle is that it's completely free. You can send money to friends and family members without worrying about any fees. This feature makes Zelle highly appealing for personal transactions. However, it's crucial to use Zelle only with people you know and trust. Since there are no transaction fees, it might be tempting to use Zelle for all kinds of payments, but for safety, stick to sending money to those you personally know well. The major con: irreversible transactions. A notable downside of Zelle is the inability to reverse transactions. If you accidentally send money to the wrong person, there is no way to get it back. This is similar to mailing cash to the wrong address. To prevent such mistakes, always double-check the recipient's details before confirming the transaction. Zelle does offer confirmation steps to help ensure you are sending money to the correct person. But it's important to remain vigilant. Ease of use. Zelle is known for its user-friendly interface and quick transaction times. Setting up and using the service is a straightforward process. Many users have found Zelle to be a convenient way to send and receive money among family and friends. Transactions are typically completed within minutes, making it a reliable option for quick transfers. Bank compatibility. The functionality of Zelle is dependent on your bank's participation. Not every bank supports Zelle, especially smaller institutions. However, major banks such as Wells Fargo, Chase, and Bank of America do offer Zelle services. If your bank supports Zelle, you can easily integrate it into your banking app. Unfortunately, if your bank doesn't support Zelle, you won't be able to use the service, even though an app exists. Internal transfers. Zelle offers a great feature for transferring money between different banks if both banks support the service. This is particularly useful for individuals with multiple bank accounts, allowing for seamless and quick transfers without the typical waiting period of several days. This feature enhances the convenience of managing finances across different banking institutions. Large transactions and holds. While Zelle is excellent for most transactions, sending large amounts of money can sometimes result in holds. These holds are generally for security purposes and can cause delays. If you plan to transfer large sums, be prepared for the possibility of a brief hold. Typically, for regular transactions, the recipient receives the money within 15 minutes, but larger transactions might take longer to process. Recurring payments. Zelle also supports the option of setting up automatic payments, which is very convenient for regular transfers to friends or family members. However, it's important to note that each bank might implement Zelle slightly differently, which can affect the features available to you. Despite these differences, the core functionality of sending and receiving money remains consistent across banks. Security considerations. While Zelle is generally safe to use, always exercise caution to avoid scams. Ensure that you are sending money only to trusted individuals. Scammers often exploit money transfer services, so it's crucial to be aware of potential risks. Always verify the recipient's information and be wary of unsolicited requests for money. Conclusion: the service is simple, efficient, and free for personal transactions, making it an excellent tool for sending money to friends and family. Although there are some risks and limitations, being cautious and mindful of whom you send money to can help mitigate these issues. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive review of Zelle. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in future videos.